Are you ready to make a smart investment move with Intel stock? Get ready for a deep dive into Intel. Our initial report was released on our website on Tuesday, September 19, 2023. But now, we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all things investing. Missing out on crucial updates could impact your investments, so stay in the loop. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by the revolutionary GPT-4. Head over to StockInvest.us and tap into the immense power of artificial intelligence. You'll get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be taken as financial advice. Hey there! Guess what? Our system has ranked Intel as a buy candidate since August 30, 2023, and it's got a score of 1.01. Now, let's dive into the exciting details of how this stock has performed during this period. Brace yourself, because the stock has seen a fantastic gain of 5.24%. Wow, that's an average return of 0.37% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. Brace yourself for an exciting stock update. Get ready for a roller coaster ride as we dive into the market trends. Hold on tight, because this stock is on the rise. In the short term, it's smack in the middle of a strong upward trend, signaling even more growth ahead. Let's talk numbers. Over the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential change of 11.86%. That means you could see a return ranging from 3.77% to an impressive 20.63%. And that's not all. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a possible change of 31.02%. Imagine a return between 8.54% and a whopping 40.77%. That's a price range of $39.44 to $51.16 after just a year. Hold on tight, because we've got some exciting news about Intel. The latest update shows a stronger technical forecast for Intel stock price after an eventful day of trading. Brace yourself, because the Intel stock price fell by a staggering -4.34% on Tuesday, September 19, 2023. It dropped from $37.99 to $36.34. But here's the twist: throughout the day, the stock experienced a roller coaster ride, fluctuating 5.77% from a day low at $36.02 to a day high of $38.10. Talk about volatility. And guess what? There's more. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a -1.01% loss. It's been a wild ride, and it seems like there might be some risks ahead in the next couple of days. Hold on tight. Now, let's take a look back at the past 52 weeks. The highest price of Intel stock reached a whopping $40.07, while the lowest price dipped down to $24.59. Currently, the price is sitting 9.3% or $3.73 below the 52-week high. But here's the jaw-dropper: it's a staggering 47.55% or $32.95 below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price reached an astonishing $69.29. Can you believe it? Welcome to the world of analyst ratings. Let's dive into the latest updates on the grade and actions given to Intel. Brace yourselves for the first report, which came in on Thursday, September 7, 2023. Citigroup provided a neutral grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, August 2, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. Hold your breath. On Friday, July 28, 2023, KeyBank issued a sell grade with a hold action for Intel. Wait, there's more. JMP Securities chimed in on the same day, giving Intel an outperform grade with a hold action. But that's not all. On Friday, July 28, 2023, Atlantic Equities weighed in and gave Intel an underperform grade with a hold action. Are you ready to make a smart investment? Well, analysts have spoken, and they're giving Intel stock a resounding buy rating. That's right, folks. They're even dubbing the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. But what about the return on investment? Well, the analysts may not be as enthusiastic here, giving it a more neutral rating. It's something to consider, but don't let it discourage you completely. Are you ready to learn about Intel's stock signals? Let's dive in. The Intel stock is showing some interesting signals. The short-term moving average suggests a sell, while the long-term average signals a buy. This creates a positive forecast for the stock, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. Keep an eye out for resistance at approximately $38.15 if the stock continues to rise, and support at approximately $35.45 if it falls. Breaking through the short-term average will send a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Exciting, right? But that's not all. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also giving a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals recently that might impact the stock's near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 12, 2023, resulting in a 6.48% drop so far. It seems like there might be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Keep a close watch on the stock, especially since volume rose on falling prices yesterday. It could be an early warning sign. Welcome, fellow investors. Prepare to be amazed by some intriguing signals that could potentially shape your investment decisions. Let's dive right in and explore these fascinating signals. The moving average convergence divergence signals a buy opportunity, indicating a promising market trend. Pivots, on the other hand, suggest a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. Consider this as a cautionary indicator. Bollinger signals align with a buy opportunity that emerged 8 days ago. This could be an ideal time to make a move. The short-term moving average signals a sell opportunity that arose 4 days ago. Pay close attention to this indication. Conversely, the long-term moving average presents a buy signal that surfaced 16 days ago. Take note of this optimistic sign. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal that occurred 12 days ago. Keep this in mind when making investment decisions. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart, where we encounter additional compelling signals. The short moving average indicates a buy opportunity that emerged 16 days ago. This suggests a positive market trend. Similarly, the long-term moving average signals a buy opportunity that appeared 79 days ago. This reinforces the potential for growth. The relationship between the short and long moving averages further supports a buy signal that occurred 119 days ago. This strengthens the case for investment. Remember, if you're hungry for more signals and insights, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. We've got you covered. Looking at Intel, support, risk, and stop loss. Let's dive into the details. Intel has found strong support from accumulated volume at $35.14. This presents an exciting opportunity for potential buyers, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support level is put to the test. Keep in mind, though, that Intel is known for its average movements throughout the day. With a good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the latest data, the stock experienced a $2.08 difference between its high and low, which translates to a 5.77% movement. Over the past week, we've seen an average daily volatility of 2.88%. Welcome back, traders. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of Intel and discover some potential trading levels that could bring great opportunities. But before we dive in, let's quickly brush up on some essential fundamental data. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is like a window into a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. It's a vital metric to consider when evaluating a stock's potential. A fascinating thing about the PE ratio is that a relatively low value might indicate a low expectation for the company's future or even suggest that the stock is undervalued. And you know what that means? It could be a golden opportunity for you to buy. Now, here's the juicy part. Let's take a look at the PE ratio within the sector and make a comparison. This will give us even more insight into Intel's potential. So, stay tuned. Moving on to some exciting news. Mark your calendars, folks, because the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is just around the corner, specifically on October 25, 2023. This is a crucial event that can have a major impact on stock prices, so make sure you're prepared. Wondering what the analysts are saying? Well, the consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.200. This figure is worth keeping a close eye on, as it can greatly influence the stock's performance. So, be ready to seize any opportunities that arise. Welcome, fellow traders. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of day trading levels for Intel. Buckle up and get ready for some incredible insights that could potentially boost your trading game. Picture this, an upward trend. We've identified the first resistance level for Intel at $36.83. If you're not already in the game, this could be your sign to jump in. And for those already holding the stock, pay attention because swing trading opportunities may be knocking at your door. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about the downside. Intel encounters its first support level at $35.14. Keep an eye on this level as it could serve as a golden entry point for a rebound trade. Hey there. Are you curious about Intel's performance in the stock market? Well, let me share some exciting insights with you. But first, let's talk about what the experts are saying. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Intel is a strong buy. Now, let me dive into some recent insider trades that caught my attention. On August 30, 2023, Gal Scott, an insider, made a significant move by selling 2,418 shares of restricted stock units. Interestingly, on the same day, Gal Scott decided to buy 2,418 shares of common stock. But wait, there's more. Gal Scott also sold 1,199 shares of common stock on that very day. On August 21, 2023, insider Holthouse Michelle Johnston made a small but notable move by selling just one share of common stock. And guess what? On August 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P., another insider, sold a whopping 35,135 shares of restricted stock units. Now, let's crunch some numbers. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -29.822. Overall, insiders purchased a staggering 41,018,493 shares and sold 77,264,335 shares in the last 100 trades. That's quite a roller coaster. Listen closely, because this is a stock you don't want to miss. We've analyzed the market and our recommended stop loss is set at $34.64, a decrease of 4.69%. Now, let me break it down for you. This stock has daily movements that fall in the medium range, which means there's a moderate level of risk involved. But here's the exciting part, we've uncovered a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 5 days ago. Are you wondering if Intel stock is worth investing in? If you're looking for a short-term opportunity, we have some good news for you. Our analysis indicates that Intel stock has positive signals and a promising trend, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In fact, our systems have detected that the current price of Intel stock is undervalued, which further supports the possibility of a profitable investment. Let's take a look at what we can expect for trading on Wednesday, September 20th. Intel is projected to open with a gain of $0.480 and start trading at $36.82. Are you ready to dive into the world of trading? Before we get started, it's important to remember that trading comes with its fair share of risks. That's why we highly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. At StockInvest.us, we provide valuable information to help you make informed choices, but ultimately, the responsibility lies with you. By using our information, you agree to take charge of your own investment journey. Hey there, fellow stock enthusiasts. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we bring you the latest insights on the market. Today, we're going to dive into our current view of this stock. But before we get started, we want to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree with our analysis? Let us know in the comments below and share your thoughts. We value your input. Now, let's talk about the target for this stock. What do you think it could reach? We're excited to hear your predictions. Remember, by liking and subscribing, you'll never miss an update from us. It's the best way to stay informed and make informed trading decisions. Finally, we want to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. From all of us here at StockInvest, thank you for being a part of our community. Let's dive in.